Popular Outcast, and I'm back in here with another video, and today is gonna be a slight little calm tutorial, you feel me? Today, I'm gonna teach y'all how to get the curls that get the girls. Now, y'all see my hair is a little bit nappy or whatever, it's not looking the best, you feel me? But if you lift my hair up, you see the curl pattern, like, you see it, you see it, like you see it, bro. My guy got some nice ass curls, you feel me? But this doesn't come overnight, this is a process, so you know what I'm saying? You gotta keep redoing the process and whatnot. You're gonna get your curls in no time. You gotta let your hair grow out, you gotta take care of your hair, you gotta do all this extra stuff. But I'm not gonna be getting into that. I'm just gonna show y'all how to simply, my method on to get the curls, right? Now, first thing you gotta do is, my brush fell off. Alright, first thing you gotta do is you gotta get a pick. Now, I have two pick sizes. This is for when I had like shorter hair, like when I first cut my hair and I was like doing like the curl method I was doing. Now, I need a longer pick so I can get all areas of my head. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna insert the pick into your roots and just lift your hair out. You gotta do that first before you like get into like wetting it, washing it, conditioning it. Just go up, insert it all the way in, pick your hair up. Simple. Get the back, can't forget about the back. Everybody forget about the back because you don't see it. You know what I'm saying? Get it all the way in there, get the back of that. Pick it all the way out. There you go. This shouldn't even be like a long thing to do, depending on how much hair you got. Like if you got way more hair than this, and you're trying to get the curls, then you might need to pick it out a little bit more. But for me, this probably takes about like, maybe like a good 2 minutes probably. Something like that. I don't know. Make sure I'm just getting it all nice and puffed out so it can be prepped for when it gets wet and stuff. And sometimes, you know what I'm saying, you can just use your finger, you know, finger picking too. There's nothing wrong with finger picking, and either finger picking works. You can get that little fine detailing in. Whatever the pick did not hit, you can just hit that yourself with your fingers, you feel me? You know what I'm saying? It's your hair. Don't be scared to play with your hair, bro. It's your hair. You're not going to do nothing crazy. It's your hair, bro. You know what I'm saying? Nothing crazy. Nothing tough. Alright. And we just about done. Alright, so boom. Now that you picked it. One second.
Everything always falling in this goddamn bathroom. Where the hell my pick go? Hey, listen, damn it.
Nah, for real, bro. Where'd it go? Hold up. I'm gonna find it later. It's whatever, bro. But what first you gotta do is you gotta get in the shower and wash and condition your hair. I already washed my hair for like this week, you know what I'm saying? One main tip to get in the curls, you're not supposed to wash your hair every day. I don't know who told you you're supposed to be washing your hair every day, but that's how you get lice. Lice is attracted to clean hair, so you know what I'm saying? Don't wash your hair every day. Just simply, probably like once a week, once every like 3-4 days, you know what I'm saying? But not every day. That is not the way. So I already washed my hair. So I'm just basically going to be conditioning it. When you washing and conditioning your hair, you must use cold water because hot water is going to give you frizz, and that is not for curls. Frizz and curls are like the two main enemies of each other, you feel me? So, but for people that need the shampoo conditioner though, this is the shampoo that I use. The Argan and Moroccan oil. That one right there, blue bottle, gold cap. Because I'm a golden child, you feel me? And for the conditioner, I use Tresemme Flawless Curls Curl Hydration. This right here. Hold up. Y'all want to see my face. Y'all want to see the product. Stop looking at me. Alright. Yep, that's what I use. And when I get out the shower, after I finish, like, you know, condition my hair and all that stuff, I'm going to show you the products that I use to get into it, like how to define my curls and whatnot and hold it, whatever. And quick tip. When you're washing and conditioning your hair, you want to leave the conditioner in for however long you're taking a shower. So let's say like you're washing it first, right? Washing and conditioning. You're going to want to get in the shower, wet your hair up first, you know what I'm saying? Cold water, remember that, cold water. And then you're going to want to shampoo whatever. After you shampoo, you're going to throw in the conditioner. You're going to deep condition all that, get it all up in there. And then you're going to want to take the shower and leave the conditioner in while you shower. Make sure it don't get in your eyes because I'm still trying to figure out how to not get it in my eyes. So it's kind of difficult. But y'all not dumb. Y'all gonna figure it out. So I'm about to get in the shower real quick, and I'm about to do the method I just told y'all, and I'm gonna see y'all when I get out when my hair is all wet and puffy and full of conditioner. And yeah, we got to get into it. I'll be back. Alright y'all, I just got out the shower. I need y'all refrain from looking at my pectorials because I feel a little bit exposed right now. But as you can see, my hair is still freshly wet or whatever. You know what I'm saying? I lift my hair up, you're gonna see the little curl patterns and whatnot. You know what I'm saying? So it look a little bit rough right now, but that's what I'm saying. We about to style it real quick. I'm gonna show y'all what I style my hair with. You know what I'm saying, how to define the curls that's in there or whatever. So first, what I use is, as soon as I get out the shower, is Shea Moisture Jamaican Black Castor Oil Leave-In Conditioner. It's going to give you that curly effect, and it's going to straighten your hair up. Facts. So what you're going to do is, depending on the amount of hair you got, you're going to equate it to how much you take in a finger spoon. So I take like a finger's full of this much for my hair, not yours, my hair. You see that? That's just enough for me. So I'll pull it down, you know what I'm saying? You gotta rub it into your hands so it can get all over the scalps, you feel me? And you're just gonna wanna rub that in. And as you can see, upon moments of touching it, you see the curl pop out and whatnot. Make sure you gotta get the back too, the sides, the back, all of that. About to rub this in real quick, and I'm gonna get with y'all when the product is all in, and I'll show y'all how it looks after. So give me a moment, please. Can y'all please give me a moment? I'm trying. Alright, so the product is mostly in my hair or whatever. You're still gonna see like a little bit of white. That's because the product did not dry in yet. So when you apply the next product, I promise you all this white stuff is gonna go away. I promise you, boo-boo. Go crazy. Shake it out a little bit. Feel me? Got a little bit here on my freaking shoulder. And now, this is what I use as gel, because you gotta put gel in to hold the curls. Unless your hair is just naturally curly like that, you know what I'm saying, go ahead, do what you gotta do. But for me, it gets like very hot where I'm at, aka New York during the summer. So I need something to hold my hair in that's not gonna make me sweat, and you know what I'm saying, it's not gonna be too heavy on my head. So this is what I use. I use this Eco Professional Styling Gel. You can get it in the olive oil flavor, get it in the argan oil flavor, it does not matter. So like I said, you're gonna take how much as opposed to how much hair you have. So like I said, I just dip a finger in. This is just enough for me. And see how that's just like sitting on my finger like that? That means it holds well. Alright, so close that. And like just as you did before with the leave-in conditioner, you're gonna wanna rub it in. You know what I'm saying? Practice your Birdman hand rub, because these curls about to have you looking crazy. You're not bold like him, feel me? Rub it all in, apply it to your head. It's gonna really define your curls and whatnot. My hair like look a little bit nappy, but trust me, when I shake it out, it's gonna look more than nappy. I'm gonna look like a god. I tell y'all. Rub it in, rub it in. Sometimes I put a little bit more depending on like, you know, how much I'm feeling that day. Like if I have like an event or do something that day, I need extra hold. Sometimes I put a little bit more, sometimes I put a little bit less, you know what I'm saying? But that's just like the standard amount that I'll be putting, you feel me? I don't got a shape up right now, but my hairline is still like type straight, so shout outs to my barber for that. Don't catch whiplash, because my neck kind of hurt now. Now, last but not least, all you're gonna want to do is pick out your hair. Pick it out to whatever length you want, the desired length. You can leave it just like this if you want. If this is your style, hey, whatever. Like I said, this is a hair tutorial. This is not a hair, like, I'm not telling you how you want to do your hair. I'm just showing you how I get my curls, and how this tutorial may low-key help you out too. So you know what I'm saying? Just like I did in the beginning, just pick it up, lift it, get the sides, get the back, get all the way in the back. Because you don't want your front looking nice, but your back looking flat like a 2D character off a comic book. That was trash. I know. And then sometimes maybe, you know, you just want to finger pick it out. You know what I'm saying? Even if you don't got to finger pick, it might work. I don't know how effectively it will work when you finger pick it all the way out. But you know what I'm saying? Do what you gotta do. You bowl on a budget, you feel me? Alright, that's pretty much how I like my hair, you know what I'm saying? Your hair is gonna dry after like probably like 30 minutes, 40. I don't know how long your hair gonna take to dry, but this is how I kind of like it for right now. But when my hair dries, I'm gonna come back in here and I'm gonna show y'all how the product looks when it's dry. But as y'all can see the curls. Yeah, man. It's some, you know what I'm saying? It's a little process. I'm still trying to figure this out. But it's been working so far because it gave me more results than I've used other products in the past. So yeah, this is looking like a little light. I was at top. My fault, y'all. I was being light skinned though. Don't look at me. I did it again. Alright, bro. I'm about to get out this bathroom, and let my hair dry, and I'm gonna come back when it's dry, and I'm just gonna teach y'all like how to fix it up if you like it. The way you like it when it's dry. I personally like it like this. My hair's gonna dry like this anyway, so I really don't mind. But you know what I'm saying? This is for y'all. This is not for me. It's for y'all. I know what I'm doing. I know what I'm doing. Whore. I'll be back. Alright, y'all. It's like 45 minutes later, probably like 30 minutes later. I didn't get dressed yet because I look sexy without a shirt. But that's besides the point. This is how your hair looks when it's like, this is how your hair should look. Well, I'm not even gonna say should look because this is my hair. This is how your hair is gonna look when it's like semi-dry or whatever. See them curls, bro? Get y'all a little 360. Hold up the back. Don't forget the back. Get y'all a little side view. And now we back to the front. You know what I'm saying? This has been this calm little hair tutorial video, you know what I'm saying? And at the end of this hair tutorial, I just used this Argan Morocco heel drying oil thing. My mom bought it and I like it because it leaves your hair nice and hydrated after, because if you're going for the dry look, yeah, that's cool, but I like my hair to shine and I like it to smell good when I'm around people. I don't want to just, because when you use other products, sometimes it don't be smelling as strong as it could be, so I just spritz it. And this helps out with frizz control, which I said, which will be one of your main enemies when it comes to having curls. I think I OD'd on it a little bit. I'm not even gonna hold you. Yeah, I kind of OD'd. Oh well, it'll dry up sometime tomorrow. Damn, it's on my neck. Oh, is that water? That's OD. And yeah, that will be the end of this hair tutorial video, you know what I'm saying? Keep this up. Y'all had the curls to get the girls. It's been the Popular Outcast. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe, share this with your peoples. Follow me on Instagram, Twitter, Snapchat. It give me a little over there where I can get the newest video updates, just like counting money. You're gonna have a lot of it, you feel me? But I'm about to get out of here because I'm getting claustrophobic because this bathroom dumb small. So I'm out of here. See y'all niggas later.
Check it the time.